In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copilot Agent Mode in Excel to build professional budget templates and organize your financial data effortlessly. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and look at the top toolbar for the Copilot icon. Click it to launch the assistant. This opens the built-in AI helper directly inside Excel so you can work on your spreadsheet without needing to switch between different tools. If this is your first time using it, give it a moment to load fully so you can access all of its features smoothly. Once Copilot is open, switch it into agent mode. This is the setting that allows Copilot to handle more advanced multi-step tasks instead of just giving simple suggestions. In other words, it can help you complete a larger workflow from beginning to end, which makes it especially useful for organizing and analyzing budgeting data. Next, type a clear prompt asking Copilot to create a budget template customized with your preferred income and expense categories. Be as specific as you need to be. For example, you can include categories for salary, freelance income, rent, groceries, utilities, transportation, entertainment, or savings. The more clearly you define the structure you want, the better the results will match your needs. After Copilot generates the template, take a moment to review the structure carefully. Make sure the sections, labels, and layout make sense for the type of budget you want to manage. If everything looks good, click to insert the template directly into your workbook. This gives you a ready-made foundation that looks polished and saves time compared to building everything manually. Now bring in your financial information by importing or pasting your raw data into the worksheet alongside the new layout. This could include transactions, account summaries, or lists of expenses and income. Try to place the data neatly so Copilot can interpret it more accurately in the next step. Then instruct Agent Mode to clean up your data. Ask it to fix formatting, remove duplicates, and sort expenses into the correct categories. This is a big time saver, especially if your original data came from different sources or has inconsistent labels. Once the data is organized, ask Copilot to calculate totals, add conditional formatting rules, and automatically highlight high